But what do you do to help yourself? Because each and every one of them here is receiving what he left behind. This is the truth. Each and every one of them here is receiving what he left behind, which we pray may Allah grant all of them Jannah. May Allah forgive them. May Allah forgive them. May Allah grant them Jannah. But each and every one of them is receiving what he left behind. What he did. So prepare yourself for that day. For the day they will come and dig a hole and put you in, and your loved one, those who love you the most, will put you in a hole. Do you see this kind of love? What kind of love is this? You love me and you come and dig a hole and put me in a hole and leave me alone? And you say you love me? Yes, that's the love. It is love. But you see the kind of love? What kind of love is this? So we are youth. Let's make sure we do the right thing. Because if I sit down with you in the masjid and I tell you about this, you will not understand. Maybe just 50%. But now that you see yourself, now check how old are you. Go and check some grave, you will see the same age the person died. So never think I'm young, I'm not going to die. Not now. You know, some of you say, oh, when you die, say astaghfirullah. Say astaghfirullah, may Allah forgive you, but you're still going to die. You will die. So what you should do now to help yourself in this grave is to fear Allah. All of us should fear Allah. Allah is watching you. Whatever you do, make sure it's something that pleases Allah. Whatever you do behind closed doors, you should know. Alam ya'lam bi anna Allah yara. Does he not know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sees everything? Allah knows everything. Nothing is hidden when it comes to Allah. He sees everything because he is ash-shahidu, the one who witnesses everything. So my brothers and sisters, this is the message. Please, your 5 daily prayers will help you here. Whoever is saved in this grave worked hard on his 5 daily prayers. Never neglect that and don't play with it. Some of the youth today, they take prayers as a joke. The only thing that will save you here is your 5 daily prayers. Your Fajr, your Dhuhr, your Asr, your Maghrib and your Isha. Your recitation of Quran. And one of the things that will save you here is your obedience too. Now Allah, the messenger, and your parents. Be careful. Your mother, your father, please take good care of them. Make sure you do the right thing. Allah commanded us in the Quran. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ لَا تَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. Allah said to be good, to be kind to your parents. Please never raise your voice over the voice of your mother or father. Never do that. وَاعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَلَا تُشْرِكُوا بِهِ شَيْئًا وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. Allah said to be kind to your parents. قُلْ تَعَالَوْا أَتْلُ مَا حَرَّمَ رَبُّكُمْ عَلَيْكُمْ أَلَّا تُشْرِكُوا بِهِ شَيْئًا وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. Be kind to your parents. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ. Your Lord has decreed that none should be worshipped except Him. وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And be kind to your parents. Be good to your mother and father. Make sure you fix the problems between you and your mother and your father. Respect them. Give them the maximum respect that they deserve, because they deserve your respect. They took care of you. You have no one better than your mother. You have no one better than your father. Yes, sometimes something happened, but always make sure you apologize and be sincere. Ask them to forgive you because of this day.